Molweni bafundi. Isahluko of 16, after Ndimeni and Ndopho had parted ways, with Ndimeni having tried his best to get Ndopho to return home. We take up the story with Liziwe now. Remember, she got married and there was this build-up of resentment and disagreement between her and her mother-in-law, Nomachwili. Anyway, usahleli uLiziwe emzini wakhe. Liziwe is still at her home now being her married home. Ngoku unabahlobokazi abaninzi. She now has many lady friends. The lady friends or female friends, the kazi denotes the feminine. She now has many lady or female friends. Omnye wabo ngu Nomishini, is Nomishini. One of them is Nomishini. Ngoku kufika uNomishini apa kwaLiziwe. And now here is Nomishini arriving kwaLiziwe at Liziwe's home. In order to express somebody's home, or at or to or from somebody's home, is kwa plus that person's name. Uyabuza, she asks, written in the present tense but obviously translated in the past. She asked whether ngaba akaguli na, whether she was not ill, or whether akukhonto imkhathazayo na, whether there was not something troubling her. uLiziwe wamchazela. Liziwe explained to her that wakhathazwa nguninazala, that she was bothered by her mother-in-law. uNomishini akabuzanga ngesizathu. Nomishini, she did not buza, she did not ask for the isizathu, the reason. Kuloko, instead, wanika, she gave uLiziwe icebo. She gave Liziwe an idea. Wathi elo cebo lakhe, she said that idea or plan of hers, lam nceda naye, helped her as well. Ngexesha, at the time when awayengaqondani kakuhle noninazala, at the time when she was also not getting on with her mother-in-law. Qonda, to understand, so there was lack of understanding between her and her mother-in-law. Wati, she said, in other words, what I did was, ndawa ephepheni, I literally fell on the paper. I wrote immediately to ndabhalela indoda yam eGauteng, and I wrote to my husband in Johannesburg. Ndayixelela, and I told him, and we use ye here for him because we are referring to indoda, and I told him that mna ndandi ngachatanga noninazala, that I was not married to my mother-in-law, but rather ndandichate nayo, but I was married to him. Ukuba ingandifuni, and if he did not want me, mandigoduke, I was going to go home. Wathini ke umyeni wakho? And so what did your husband do? Akuyifumana, when he received it, namely that letter. Wa buya baba, he literally, if I can take each word literally or individually, buya to return, baba to fly, so He came home flying. He flew home. Immediately, in other words, he returned. Kungekapheli iveki, before even a week had elapsed. Walwa, and he fought with his mother. Kwesi sithuba, and at this juncture, abafazana, the young ladies, benza isigqibo, they made a decision sokuba that uNolasthi, that Nolasthi would, uLiziwe would makambhalele umyeni ileta, would write a letter to her husband, efana naleya, similar to that one, resembling that one, yabhalwa, which had been written nguNomishini. Bancedisana ke ekuyibhaleni, they helped one another in the writing thereof, or in writing it. uNolasthi ebhala, with Nolasthi writing, and uNomishini ebizela, and Nomishini dictating. Bakugqiba, and when they had finished, uNomishini wahamba nayo ileta. Nomishini took the letter, wayisa eposini, or Nomishini left with the letter and took it to the post office. Ixhegwazana, the little old lady Nomacwili, wafika kanye kweso sithuba, arrived then just at that point, xa asandulukumka, just after Nomishini had left. This sandula means that something has just or recently happened. So Nomishini had just mka left or departed. Wa kwaza esiti, she shouted, saying, Nolasthi, uphi? Nolasthi, where are you? Xwaka uNolasthi. Silence from Nolasthi. Hey, Nolasthi, hey, Nolasthi, ungaphenduli nje xa ndibiza. Nolasthi, you don't respond when I call. La pinda labuza ixhegwazana, asked the little old lady again. Teta, undibizela ntoni? Speak, what are you calling me for? Uphendule uNolasthi, replied Nolasthi. Sukuthetha njalo kum Nolasthi, sukuthetha njalo kum, don't talk njalo like that, kum, to me, Nolasthi, ndingunyoko, I am your mother. Unyoko kabani, whose mother? Andina mama ekhaya uNojaji, do I not have a mother at home, namely Nojaji? Nolasthi? Yithiye inja yakho ngelo gama. Call your dog by that name. Tiya is to give a name to. Give your dog that name. Waphendula ngoku uNolasthi, replied Nolasthi. Nolasthi, uyivasile la lokhwe? Have you washed that dress? Bendite uzuyivase, which I said you must wash. Zingalo ezo, those are arms, she says, pointing or looking at Nomacwili. Those are arms that you have. Asingoma pico, not wings. Tyhini, akanasimilo lo mntana kaMenzile. My goodness, but this child of Menzile, akanasimilo, has no manners. Nawe, and the same to you, Xhekwazanandini, little old lady, but said in a derogatory manner. Akuna similo, and you too have no manners. Wacho esondela ngoku uNolasti, said Nolasti, now sondela, coming closer. Engena kunina zala ngamanqindi. Not the first time we have had this expression. Flying into her mother-in-law, ngamanqindi, with her fists. Uyandibetha, Nolasti, uyandibetha. You are hitting me, Nolasti, you are hitting me. Wakhala uNomacwili, called out, cried Nomacwili. Wemka kwangalo mini uLiziwe wagoduka. Liziwe left kwangalo mini, that very same day, wagoduka, and she went home. Waba lusizi kakhulu uMenzile. Menzile was lusizi, very sad. Yilento about this. Ya qhubela phambili ebubini. Now ububi is something bad or evil, but in this sense it is said with reference to his health. So literally translated, ya qhubela phambili, and his impilo, his health, progressed rapidly towards, shall I say, the bad side. In other words, his health deteriorated rapidly. Ogqirha bathi, the doctor said, akuseentsuku zatywala, that it would not be long, engafanga, before he died of isifo sentliziyo, of a heart ailment. Okunene, indeed, kungekapheli inyanga, before a month had even elapsed, iposiwe ileta kaLiziwe, before a month had even elapsed after Liziwe's letter had been posted, wafika umyeni wakhe. Kambeke, however, wafika, he arrived kowabo, at his home, engekho umkakhe uLiziwe, to find his wife umkakhe Liziwe not there. Ngosuku olulandelayo, and the following day, wahamba ke, he left, waya, and he went ebukhweni, to his in-laws. This is now Tolibadi, ngenjongo, with the aim, zokuphuthuma umkakhe, with the aim of fetching his wife. And we will complete the rest of this chapter in the following lesson. Enkosi kakhulu, bafundi.